Hi, how do you? Today we're going to draw a nice picture. A player who is playing the basketball. Let's draw the outline first. Then we are going to put the colors and doing other details. All right. Putting the hands here. All right. So he's holding the basketball. Okay. And the ball, let's draw it with a freehand drawing style. Maybe this circle is not perfect, but we're trying to draw as nice as possible. Another rack you can see here, the other side of the hands holding the balls. Okay, so the lead is finished. We are going to put another lead inside. Okay, this mechanical pencils has made the line drawing very easy. Okay, so lead is installed. Now we're putting the colors or the line drawing here. This is just the outlines, and drawing the body parts. Okay, number 6 we just put here. All right. Okay, and the legs you can see here, it's a taller leg. Putting the shoe at the bottom. And another leg you can see on the left side. All right, and the shoe is here at the bottom. The socks is usually the long socks. All right, and let's do the details for the hair. Okay, now we're putting the orange color for the body parts. As you can see, only one side. Okay, so decide which parts has a shade of the darkness, other side is lighter, so this side looks darker. That's why we're putting the shades on the body shapes. Okay, making the drawing looks like a 3D. All right, and the colors of the shoes are purple, looks like the kids. Okay, and the socks looks pink. Also pink on the left side and in the border. Okay, the pants, it's the navy blue color. And also the t-shirt on the top, it's also navy blue color. So number 6, you can see. Mhm. Okay, and the other parts of the body, let's put the orange color again. Okay, the color of the basketball is the dark red in this case. So you can see the dark red borders. All right, with the crayon we're going to draw the ground inside. Okay, so the boy is playing with the basketball. You can see it's very dynamic and nice drawing. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.